What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you the steps on how to cancel your Microsoft Services subscription. So the first step is going to Microsoft.com and then log into your account, your Microsoft account. And once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the personal photo here at the top right corner. And then you'll get a screen where you'll choose from the top here services and subscriptions. Once you do so, it'll show you the services you are subscribed to, and you can manage them, you can cancel them, or change the settings and so on. So that's where you want to go if you want to cancel any Microsoft service subscription that you are currently subscribed to.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.